Let's go. Let's go. Ayun,
Sinasaling ang Santo Rosario ng mahal na Birheng Maria. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo.
Wow, what? Wow.
Thank you, Kuya.
Kaya napipilitan ng mga bata na magtrabaho para
Thank you.
sa pag-aaral. Sa edad ni 12, grade 1 pa lang.
Babay muna yan
Away.
Kiss mo na, kiss.
Muna siya nakin.
Apat na araw.
Baby.
Ilang araw pa
Soft touch. Soft touch.
Love siya na love.
Naglalaro.
Love siya na.
Pwede. Napagod. Pag napagod ka na,
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Laway Grabe ba?
O, count ka muna, count.
Oh, pinalat pa.
1. 1.
si Noel, anong naiisip mo?
1. 2.
Naisip ko po,
Ikaw.
ganyan din po ako dati.
Say 1.
Hanggang sa ngayon po,
1.
talagang
Ubus niyo.
yun po ang aming
Fish na nga lang. Yung kapong kayo ni kalahati. Eh, 10 yung binili ko. Dapat 5 lang. 5 lang.
Sabi ko gagawa ko sa relax yan eh. Wala may Dibag ka oh. Liana, love mo Liana? Love? Love mo Liana, love? Soft touch. Soft touch.
Dalaga sa Rojas, Palawan. Putong balat at parang alay nang inangat na ang kanilang dingding. Kahit dahil sa kainin niya, kahit pangit, kahit pumo, kahit kulambo.
Na ako. Patok na ako. So, tinan mo. Alis na ako. Alis na ako. Oh. Oh. Bye. Oh. Oy, kanina pa ako. Hindi mo makaalis. Uy. Ay mo na, ay vlog.
One, two, three. Oo. Ayaw. Liam. 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 Mama.
Let's go na, let's go na.
Liam, Liam. Ganto, ganto, ganto. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go muna, dance. Balikat mo. Paano yung balikat?
Psst, Yam. Yan na. Psst. Ano? Ang dami mo. Amoy, amoy, amoy. 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 Amoy mo na, amoy. Ay! 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 Hi! Coffee bar, iced tea. Daddy. Ano ininom mo? What's that? What's that? What's that? Water.
Sarap.
Yeah!
Yan.
Dance! Birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Ay, blow na kayo na si Lola. O, tingnan mo. Oh, tingnan mo na po, blow. Ayun. Yay! Clapping ka na. Yay! Happy birthday, Lola!
Happy birthday, Lola! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Lola! Hindi ka na blow? Oh, eat na.
Lakas mo, lakas! Dali! Psst. No. Kabidyo ka. Kabidyo ka. Kabidyo ka. Kabidyo ka. Kabidyo ka, oh, yun, oh. Yung ka, oh. Kabidyo ka, sige. No.
Kiss na mama. Oh, yan. Sabi ko, ay sorry. Sabi ko sa'yo,
Kabidyo ka.
ang ulo mo, magkapain mo yan.
Kabidyo ka. Tama na. Tigilan mo na. Nauntog ka na. Nauntog ka na. Kitang-kita sa video, oh. Nauntog ka na, oh. Watch na lang tayo, TV. Let's go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, vlog. Bye-bye. Where's Liam? Yun. Where's Daddy? Yun. Kiss mo, Daddy. Kiss Daddy. Kiss Daddy. Kiss Daddy. Kiss Daddy. Kiss Daddy. Kinikintik ka. Kiss Daddy muna. Kiss Daddy. Kiss Daddy. Mga yun. Okay.
We did it! We found every word that starts with the letter P. Great job!
But the car. FM.
G. Gorilla.
Good. Phonics, so wrong. Phonics, so Igloo, jump, kite, lollipop, M, muppet, nose, oh, popcorn, vacuum, what? Bye-bye. Bye, vlog. Flying kiss.
What rhymes with box? Let's see. No. And box.
No.
That's not right. Ooh. Sunglasses and box. No, that's not right. Ooh. Socks and box. Socks and box. Socks and box. That rhymes! What is school like? I have an idea. Let's pretend we're doing a day at school together.
Wah. Duyan. Wih.
Ano ka na?
Hai. Diego. Kira. Hai.
Aray ko na, Yun! Okay na.
Yan na.
nadapa dyan. No, no.
Dito.
Dito kay daddy. Nadapa ka dyan.
Liam,
talaga.
dito.
Dito. Yan na, swimming si Kuya. Tingnan ka daddy, hi. Mineral yan eh. Ang dami ng tubig sa ano.
Di ba doon yung sa host?
Sauce yun. Liam.
Thank you daddy.
Hi.
Let's go. Tara.
Nanood kami ng walk tour.
Gusto nyo ano.
Ay. Pag successful na kayo ng kapatid mo, pag mayaman na kayo, ha? Shh, dali ka dito, nakausap kita. Ha? Pag mayaman na kayo, ha? Pag out of namin nyo kami ni mama, ha? Ha, opo? Opo. Shh, teka lang. Ilibre mo kami. Shh. Opo, ha? Opo. Ha? Oo daw. Opo. Mag-iibang bansa kami ni mama? Mag-iibang bansa kami ni mama, ha? Libre mo? Libre mo, ha? Apo? Libre mo? Ha? Libre mo ako. Sabi mo, ha? Sabi mo yan.
Do you live here on the property? Or you live on Koh Samui, obviously, but...
Babay na. Ilibre mo kami, ha?
This is your hometown.
Ha? Punta kami ibang bansa ni mama, ha? Oh, yan. Sige. Alas 2 ng madaling araw. Ano, tapos, ano nagawa mo kanina? Yeah. Tapos,
Sabi ni daddy.
ano ba yan? Ano yan? Chicken. Ha? Ano tawag doon? Titan. Chiliano, tinan mo.
There was before, there was stand before. I don't see boats coming and going from this side. Although there should be.
No.
In fact, is it those boats
Chop
coming there?
touch lang.
Maybe it is. Only one way to find out, guys. One way to find out. That's to go explore. That's to go explore. That's what we're doing today. A lot of exploration, guys. A lot of exploration. I can't help it.
Top touch.
Strong legs in action.
Top touch. Nga. Good morning, Nana. Sabi mo.
All the way up these
Say, good morning, Nana.
just feels good.
No, soft touch lang. Good morning, Nana.
Aye, that's right.
Dali, sabi say.
Like some strong guys.
Say, good morning, Nana.
Some steps like this. Yes. Yes. Just like this, guys. Oh. That makes you feel good, doesn't it?
No. Iyak cry sila, naka-cry. Kakry sila, naka-cry. Sige. Kakry sila, naka-cry. Play lang, play. Play lang.
Your friend got a full one. Oh, good.
Play lang eh.
Oh, there. That's one to right. Orange one. Yes, please. How much is this one? Oh, yeah, with the big one. Yeah. Oh, nice and cool. Guys, how much for this one? 100, okay. You have change for that? I only have 1,000 notes. I'm trying to get change all day. I only have thousands. Okay, good. So, I was hoping enough.
Sabihin mo na, good morning, Liana.
At least have 200 notes to buy drinks and stuff today. No, I was a bit soft. Decided to keep the 1,000. Oh, nice cold Fanta. Lovely. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Soft touch.
Okay, thank you very much. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Thank you very much, my brother. Thank you very much. Okay, good. Now I've got 9 100 notes. I've got plenty change to buy my soft drinks. Fantastic. Yes. Yes. I'm finding the path down to the lake. Yeah, past the stuff, all right. Oh, I can go this way. Really? This will take me down to the lake. Ah, some men told me I had to go past the stupa first. You can go there first, or you can go this way. Yeah.
Soft touch.
Ah, okay, so we are way down. And is there boats at the bottom there? They can take me to the Oh, my intention is to
Nakakapit din siya, baka mahulog ko. Ayun, tinan mo yan, tinan mo yan.
Wow.
Wow.
Anong ginagawa mo? Ano yun? Matahimik ka? Matahimik ka? Yan! Yan! Oo. Oo ka, oo. Ayaw. Tao. Oo ka, oo. Ha? Mami. Mami. Nandiyan na si Aya? Cabero, el cabero. Pengi. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Liam. Ano sabihin mo kay nanay, tatay? Ano sabihin mo kay nanay, kay tatay? Tingnan muna sa camera, sa cellphone. Ano sabihin mo kay nanay, kay tatay?
Tini mo, tito. Nagkala na anak. Logo-logo. 1K, mapapanalunan. Tapos di ka na punta ng logo.
Ilong, ilong, ilong. Ilong, ilong, ilong. Kami sa Bermosa. Bili. Magbili isang ice cream. Umuwi. Kuya, pagbili. Pagbili.
Ano ba yan? Palalakan ng lolo? Hindi mo lakad ng lolo? Palalakan ng lolo. Palalakan ng lolo. Ganyan na.
Yan na.
Ay, okay yung picture ko ka na. Sabi niyo, hirap pa yan.
Beautiful eyes.
Yan.